be a Baltimore as a concrete jungle. You know the boy gotta represent, so I gotta set it on my face. So I gotta set it on my face.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, Urban Tactical TV. Shout out to the Naughty Gang. Y'all definitely in the building. One time for the women and the children. Moment of silence for the notification bell. Cause I know y'all beat that thing. But today on the channel, I wanted to talk about Zulizy optics. They sent me something in the mail. I ain't gonna show my Addy. Haven't opened it yet, anything like that, so I don't know exactly what's in here. One day they just sent me a tracking number. So we're gonna see what's going on with it. This is my actual response. It's not gonna be a cut in this video. It's not gonna be any of that. And if it is a cut, it's just that way I can get y'all down, lower, or I guess like on my mat area so we can do it. But nonetheless, let's get into it. So I'm about to hit the unboxing and first reviews on it. I've got a lot of stuff coming up on the channel. Let's see. Okay, so it's packaged inside of another box, inside of another box, so it's two of them in here. I thought it was just one. Alright. So let's check this out. First one up is the, what's this? This is the oak. Okay. Okay, the oak. Let's see if we can get this in here. Can't get this in here. Turn this light down a little bit. Let's turn it down. Right here. There we go. That's a little bit better there. A little bit better. Sorry about that, y'all. Let's see if we can't get this. Alright. Not that great on the camera tip today, but I want to make sure this is. So it says that this is a RMR SRO footprint for pistol optics. Making affordable, rugged optics. Zulizy optics, okay? Comes with a little bit of, I guess, this is like a, I'm gonna change the angle in a second. Matter of fact, the way we on, I don't want y'all to think that this is, because I didn't want to cut, but what I'm gonna do is, I'm going to cut, bring this down here. I'm not gonna open up anything else. See, I'll move the paper, throw that over here. Y'all see me balling it up, so it ain't gonna be no confusion. Get y'all where I want y'all to be. Let's get it. All right, now I got y'all where I want y'all to be. So this is the actual box that it came in. Gives it a little bit of better angle here, with better lighting. So let's try that out. Taking it out, says how to zero it in. 25 yards, 5 yards, all that good stuff. Here comes with a battery, different screw settings. Guess these are for the windage and whatnot. And okay, if you wanted to put this on like a rifle or something of the sorts, you have the option to do that as well. And here goes. Ooh. Okay. Okay, this is the Oak C. The Oak C is what this is, okay? And I'm about to put the battery in this junk. The way we can see what this light look like. Let's get to it. Let y'all get a close-up of this real quick. See if y'all can see that. Alright, so it's a little bit better. Okay. It's got these little notches here. We can line that up. See if we can't get that in there too. So y'all see that on the back there? Above the windage, you got that. Got the battery compartment on top, which is really good, so you won't lose your zeroing of your optic. Okay, buttons on the side, up and down. Oak C with their logo here. This isn't bad at all. We try to get the battery in here. Do it while we on camera. But like I said, looks well put together. I like the finish on it. It's not too glossy. If you're familiar with Holosun, This is like just a little bit duller than what like a Hollis would be. See how easy it is to get this together. What I do with that battery? Here we go. And the battery that it takes is a 1632. So it takes a 1632. I have another optic that's like a 2032 or something like that. 2032. So let's get this in here. Battery goes face down. Yep. I hope they come up with like a, from what I'm seeing right now. Okay. I think it turned on and it's green. I think this is a green dot. Okay, so they sent me a green dot. Let's see if we can get that. Ooh, look how bright that is. Y'all see that? Nice bright reticle there. Alright, let's turn it down. See how that works. See, it's very responsive. Can y'all hear that? So that's the button clicks there. Did I turn it off? Okay. I think I turned it off. Let's turn it up. Okay. Was my okay. Battery wasn't there. Let's see. Turn it down. So that's like a faint setting there. And we'll bring it up more. It's kind of hard to do this on camera this way. Let's see. I can see it from where I'm at. You see? I think this actually is like a, okay, I don't know if y'all can see this. So it's like a circle with like another dot in the inside. It's kind of hard to get this on camera. I might have to do like another shot of that. But that's why the circle's so big, because it's a circle inside of another circle. So it's kind of like almost like a bullseye inside of here. I like this already. Like, Lord have mercy, I like this already. So my take on this one, this is the first one, so this is the Oak C. I like that it's a green dot. It's my first green dot. I've never had a green one before. Also, I like the window. Like, the window is like very crisp. Like, y'all see my t-shirt through this? Like, you can clearly see my t-shirt through this. Like, this is very nice. I might torture test one of these as well. So that's the Oak C. Put this up. Okay, I'm digging it. Definitely digging this one. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. If y'all like these type videos, I can do more like this. I just wanted to show y'all some of the new stuff that's coming in right now. I wasn't sure how long ago they sent this out for me to, I guess, show to you all. I believe I have a product code too, but y'all would have to follow my Instagram, which is linked in the description of this video, to like kind of see where I get my deals from and who sponsors the channel and things like that, because YouTube's algorithm will definitely block the video if I put any type of link to that on here. So the next one we have coming out is, this is the Oak Plus Pistol Rifle Optic. Okay, so this is the Plus version. Same stuff in here. But yeah, because I didn't get a chance to really show y'all last time. See if we can't get this to focus in. Alright. Y'all see that? Alright, so it gives you like the sight and in card here. Like that, got the battery as well. Does this one come with like a cover? I thought this one came with a cover. We'll get to that in a second. Same tools, same screws. Okay. I might got something to really put this one on. I might. I think I got something right away to put this one on. It says rifle and pistol, so I might put it on the PCC. But got that out, and what else do I need? Oh, I do need. What's this? It's like the warranty paper or something like that. Okay, it has shake weight. Okay. This one has a side tray to put it in there. MBS, shake weight, okay. Shaker weight. And it just says use Loctite. Whoa, that's a little crazy there. So I guess this is a subsidiary of Sealy Optics, This was in the packaging. Check this out. I don't even know if I'm supposed to show y'all this. But the company says Zulizy, so. Yeah, it says, that's a little weird there. Let me see if the other one say that. Hold up. We ain't gonna act like we ain't just seen that. That's a whole different company. I got a buddy that swears by Zulizy. Alright. So this one doesn't have that on it. And I got this one out of the other box. Hold up. Are they trolling me right now? Hold up. I don't want y'all to think I'm Yeah, so look, the way I don't think I'm capping.
Hey, yo, aim.
Cards feel the same. They're both the 25-yard jump, but I got this one out of the O Plus that says contact these folk. And this one, it's the regular 25, I guess. I don't know, that's a little weird. But enough of that. Let's get back to business. So I got the Joan out now to bring y'all this. Let's make sure we got this all the way in here. Sorry, it's gonna be, I think this video is already at like 8 minutes and I'm kind of rambling. But I don't know, I'm just amazed by that. Okay, so this one has a side battery. I'll put this one straight in. I don't know if this is red or green, but I've never had a green dot before, so I'm definitely pumped. So from what I see already, got the same coating on it. It's not anodized, so it's not shiny. If y'all can see, it's not really shiny. It's kind of a matte. Then it has that coating on the front of the glass there. In fact, let's see, before we even cut it on, let's look through the glass so y'all can see. Can y'all see my hand through there? Let's see how my hand looks through there. Different contrast, the colors through there, some whites. So the regular camera lens, and then
Fall to your knees and obey dark side.
so there's a nice coating on it, nonetheless. Okay, took that out. I think my Hollison has a battery gate like this. Okay. One thing I do find scary about that is it has one small screw on the side here, so it says it's supposed to go certain ways. So let's try to get this in here and see what happens. I think I got it right. Okay. This one is red. Okay, so this one is red. I seen it just cut on. We're gonna get a look at this. Let me put it back together first. Sorry if I'm rambling, y'all. It's kind of got that Hollison vibe to it, with this side battery gate actually. I'll show y'all the side in a second. I'm almost done. Make sure this is tight because you don't want to lose the screw. That's definitely grounds for me being cautious. But the window on this thing is ridiculous. Look at that. That's the dot. Let me turn it down. Okay, so both of the buttons on one side on this. So this is one of the lowest settings. I think it's a regular dot on this one. Yeah, this one's a regular dot. There we go. Let's turn it up. So it gets like extremely bright. Jeez Louise. Yeah. Y'all make sure y'all get over to my IG the way I can link y'all to how to get you one of these right here. It also has above the windage in the back here. Y'all can see that. Has the same notches there. So if I wanted to put this on a pistol, I guess a full size pistol will take this. So I might be able to put this on a full size. What full sizes do I have? Nonetheless, we'll figure it out anyway down the line. So these are the two optics here. You have the C and you have the plus. Different coatings. This one here is green. This one here is red. I believe both have the options to come in green. So, let's see. Hold them there. do that. Turn up the green one for y'all. Let y'all see them at their brightest. And then before we wrap this video up.
Fall to your knees and obey dark side.
Flip that up. Alright, let's see. Can I get them both at the same time here? I see the green one. I might really gotta cite that green one. Or it might be because it sits lower. But here is the green one there, all the way in the brightest form on my camera. Let's see if I back it up. Can you see it? I really want y'all to see that lighted guy. And this one's just a regular dot there. I like it, nonetheless. We're gonna go back up top the way we can actually get a good talk about these real quick. Alright, so we back up now. Focus right. So what I've gotten from these two dots here, like, look how bright this is. Like, I'm really feeling that at an affordable price. If these things hold zero, this will definitely be a company that I'll spend much money with in the near future here. Y'all make sure y'all go check them out. Again, Zulizy. I definitely like these. Sorry about that, y'all. I was disgusting. But I like these a lot. At an affordable price, I believe these come in somewhere like around $100 or so. I don't know. They actually sent them out to me, and I just came to a tracking number, and it was here one day. So it's my first time opening them. I like what I see here. Y'all make sure that y'all stay tapped in with the channel, man. It's been Urban Tactical TV. Y'all stay trained up. Y'all stay dangerous, and please, please, please don't be dumb.